hand baggage is safely put away. Smaller bags should be labelled. Please place under the seat in front of you.
So to the cabin, team of 4 this morning, led by Pavlina. We are ready to go now. Flight time to London, Heathrow, the usual 40 minutes. Very pleasant day here in Paris. In fact, a very pleasant day for our arrival into London Heathrow this morning. Temperature about 12 degrees. Once you're comfy in your seats this morning, if I can ask you to look above your heads, you see the seatbelt signs are currently switched on.
We're now going to explain the emergency procedures on this British Airways aircraft. We recommend that you remove your personal headphones. The captain and the crew are here for your safety. Opening the doors and overwing exits automatically inflates the evacuation slides. The slides can also be inflated by pulling the handle at the main doors and this handle at the overwing exits. Jump onto the slide and move away from the aircraft. If the aircraft has landed on water, you should leave by the overwing exits. Other exits may be opened if above the waterline and the slides detached for use as flotation devices.
London's Heathrow. You'll see us flying in a circle for the next 5 minutes, just waiting for our place in the queue. There's about 5 or 6 aircraft ahead of us this morning, only 5 minutes delay, which is have us landing just after 7:35. The time for your watches now is 16 minutes past 7 in the morning. Once we break through this little bit of cloud we've got here, we have some great views. Initially, you should be able to see from the left side of the aircraft, City of London, and as we make our final approach onto runway 27 at Heathrow this morning. And at both sides of the aircraft, some great views. At the right, you get central London. At the left, you can pick out Wimbledon, Richmond Park, and if you're a sports fan, Twickenham Stadium. So 5 minutes flying in a circle here, make our approach landing just about 7:35.
London Heathrow. Please now return to your seat to make sure that all your personal belongings are safely put away in the overhead lockers or under the seat in front of you. If you are sitting in the front way seat or emergency exit row, please place all items in the overhead lockers, leaving the floor area around your seat completely clear. Please check that your table is folded away, your seat is in the landing position, the armrest down and your seatbelt is securely fastened. You may continue to use handheld electronic devices for landing. These must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger items, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed away safely. Please also take a moment to remind yourself of your nearest exit.
But it must have been rough crowd. So next week, that's what they'll have. Next week, because that ships in the same area. Yeah. We'll back
Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handsets.
I don't know.